It's exactly 2 a.m. Chết na. Som bobo con cải. Mùi matcha espresso miền taktago. Nhom taktago. Hello, so today we're gonna do something that you've probably never done before. So currently it's almost midnight and we're gonna explore because we're in Phnom Penh and we're gonna check out which kind of foods they're selling at this time at night. So we're currently at our first stop. It's called Sumi Retry and we're gonna check out the place and see what they're having. Okay, let's go. So I tried to order 2 siu mai. I hope I did a good job here. Let's see. So we've got like mini soups with like a dumpling inside. And then we've got dumplings, I think 2 different ones. I'm not exactly sure what is inside, but it looks good. And then we have a dipping sauce. So yeah, let's dig in. And there's also like a small carrot on top, which is really cute. So, okay, let's try. This one. Ah, okay. We also have, this is siu mai.
This is cube.
Ah, okay.
And this usually use like maybe seafood filling.
Seafood filling? And this one?
Mostly pork.
Pork filling, okay.
Pork.
Then I'm gonna try this one for, and what do I have to do with this one?
Mostly you dip
this one?
This soup.
Yeah, in this
you
one.
Eat chak white with soup.
Okay. Then let me try one of those. It's like a fried bread, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
I think it's a really good midnight snack. Wow. It's like, you know, like the kind of soup that you like sometimes get at your grandma's house. I think it's good. Okay, let's see the other one. I'm not sure if this is like very spicy. It looks very red, so maybe it's not too spicy.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna go with the seafood filling first. Wait, let me get one more bite. It's almost like a seafood meatball inside the dumpling. And I think I never had anything like that before. And I feel like the soup, I really like it because it comes like in these tiny bowls, which makes it like super cute. And this one, I'm just gonna eat the whole thing. Then the next one, what was the filling again?
It's a pork with chai filling.
Pork filling? Still gotta work on my chopstick skills. So let's see how that one is. So I think this one I prefer a little bit over the other one, but I think my favorite is the soup with the pork inside because I think that one really hits the spot. But I think you can't go wrong with any of these. And considering that it's like midnight and you can still enjoy like good hearty food, I think that's something like very unique and you should definitely try out. So now that I tried all the food, I think especially the soup, I really recommend it. So if you're like craving something at midnight, maybe you had a couple of beers already, this is the spot where you can go. Because like it's really hearty and it will like make you happy at midnight for sure. And so yeah, I would definitely recommend this one. Go for that one. The other ones are good as well, but this one is definitely my favorite. This one, Jitna. So the price of 5 different mini plates that we had were bipon, so around like $5.50, which I think for a midnight snack a really good price. Now we're in a different place. We're currently in the Kirirom area in Phnom Penh, of course, and we're gonna check out this place over here. Right behind me, there's the menu, and just to remind you again, it's like midnight, and you can still like choose from a whole menu like this one. I'm just gonna have a quick look. I might actually go with the porridge with frogs. Sounds interesting. I think I'm gonna get that. So let's order some bobo con kai mùi cha nhâm timi. So I ordered the porridge with frog. Let's see. I'm very curious about this dish, and yeah, so it's gonna be ready soon, and let's try. So what I ordered just now is the frog porridge for one person, and the price is muy mern, so 250. And you can even like come in 2 or 3 people and just choose like the bigger plate, and you can share the dish. I'm pretty surprised about the amount of things they have for a midnight place. The food has arrived, and I'm very surprised. I didn't think it would be that big of a portion. So it's actually like a lot of food. So if you're really hungry at midnight, come here. So let's try. So let's see the frog. Where is the frog here? Ah, that one. I'm gonna just take a little bit of everything and put it in the porridge and then try. I really like the seasoning. Now I'm gonna try the frog part as well. I really like it. I'm very surprised. Like, I think I never had frog porridge ever. I mean, I've eaten frog before, but frog porridge. It's like a very hearty thing. So it has like a lot of flavor. And I think the frog is like similar to chicken, but maybe like a little bit more tender in a way. So I definitely recommend this. I'm very surprised about my frog porridge. And not to forget, you always have like the tea on the side. So yeah, stay hydrated even after midnight. So because this is like a giant portion, I'm just gonna ask them for takeaway, because I don't want to waste it, but I can't eat all of that. It's really a lot. Some chop muối. So I got the food over here as takeaway. They even gave me like some new sauce with it. And I think like this place, I don't know why, but it really surprised me. And I think like the amount of food you get for the price is really affordable. So yeah, I think, I don't know, I like this place. I really like it. And it's calm, you know. So yeah, just to chill. So now after eating all the food, we found this place over here. It's coffee, and we were like, actually, let's grab coffee. Now it is, let me check, it's 1:19. So we still want to continue the video for you guys. So let's grab some coffee to stay awake. Let's go. So stay. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the menu first, and just a second. Some Americano muy Otskar. So I took the iced Americano. That's always a safe choice, and it was $2.75. So for 1:30 midnight coffee, I think we're getting there. That's a good deal. In case you're interested about this place, it's in the Tultumpung area. It's called Dore 24 Hours Coffee, and yeah, it's super cozy, even with the lights around. So we got our coffee. Here it is. Let's try. The the energy I needed at 1:30 in the morning, for sure. Also, one thing that I would like to mention, so after a night out or something, maybe you don't have battery on your phone anymore, and over here you can easily charge your phone, which is also, I think, a big plus for this place. So, cheers. Now we're here at our last spot for tonight, and it's a 24/7 mart. It's a relatively new place. It's called Sawan Mart. It's located in the Corneria area, and we're gonna head in to like find a snack or something small just to round up our whole midnight experience. And just for the records, right now it's exactly 2 a.m. So let's see what we're finding over here. So we have a lot of options everywhere, hard to decide. So there are like different sections in the store. So you have like a noodle station and like a ice station or like soft drink station, a coffee station. So you can literally get like anything you want and any time. I'm having like a hard time deciding what I want. Okay, I made my choice. I'm getting the banana rolls with like chocolate, and if I'm not wrong, inside there are like some cashew nuts or something. I never tried this ever, so I'm going for this, and it's $3, and it's 200 grams, so a lot of sweet snacks because I wanted to round up the night with something sweet. Let's try. So let's try one. You can see there are like cashews inside, if I'm not wrong. First I thought it's gonna be crispy, but it's actually like chewy, and then you have like the crunch of the nut inside. It's very chocolatey, and it's sweet, but it doesn't have like that artificial sweetness that is gonna not let you sleep for the rest of the night. So I think this was like the perfect sweet snack that I wanted. And one thing I really noticed, like to all the places where we've been, I really felt like comfortable, and I think like there's no need to worry when you're like heading out to get food during the night. Yeah, I think like I felt safe and had great food, great company, so I don't need anything else. Now it's 2 a.m. or something. So it was a very enjoyable experience, and you should try that as well. So that's all for today, or for tonight, and see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and yeah, try the night foods in Phnom Penh.